Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best cooling car seat cushions on Amazon. A cooling car seat cushion can help you cool off and beat the heat. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Omkazi Cooling Seat Cushion. This seat cushion offers several advantages over traditional cushions. Its unique gel-infused design helps distribute body weight evenly, reducing pressure on specific areas such as the tailbone and lower back. This even weight distribution helps prevent the development of pressure sores and discomfort associated with prolonged sitting. The cooling effect of the gel seat cushion ensures a more comfortable seating experience, particularly during hot weather or in environments where air circulation may be limited. The gel material absorbs and dissipates heat, preventing the buildup of sweat and promoting a cool and refreshing sensation. The gel material within the seat cushion has excellent pressure-absorbing properties. It molds to the contours of your body, redistributing pressure away from sensitive areas. By relieving pressure points, the gel seat cushion helps alleviate discomfort and promotes better posture. Number 2. Model Cooling Gel Seat Cushion. The Model Cooling Gel Seat Cushion is great for your car, office chair, wheelchair, and more. It will keep you cool while providing orthopedic benefits, such as relief from back, joint, sciatica, and coccyx pain. The cushion includes a built-in carrying handle, so you can easily use it in your vehicle, at work, or on an airplane. It's also easy to clean, so it won't retain any odors. All you have to do is unzip the cover and put it in the washing machine. Users report that the cushion is comfortable and springs back to its original shape when you get off of it. It's firm but not too hard and even spreads out the body's weight, so there are no pressure points, which makes traveling much more comfortable. The company also provides a 2-year warranty should you experience any problems. One downside is that it can flatten out quite a bit when you sit on it, so it loses a bit of its cushioning effect. Number 3. Liunex Gel Seat Cushion 2.4-inch thick. This gel seat cushion 2.4-inch thick stands out due to its unique features. The double-thickened layer provides extra padding, ensuring superior comfort and support. This cushion is specifically designed to relieve tailbone pressure, making it an excellent choice for individuals who experience discomfort in that area. Additionally, the cushion's breathable honeycomb design enhances air circulation, preventing sweat and moisture buildup. The gel cushion comes with a washable non-slip cover, providing added convenience and hygiene. The cover is easy to remove and clean, ensuring a fresh and comfortable seating experience. The non-slip feature ensures that the cushion stays securely in place, preventing it from shifting or sliding during use. The gel seat cushion 2.4-inch thick utilizes a gel-infused material that conforms to your body's contours, effectively distributing weight and relieving pressure on the tailbone. Number 4. SoJoy Towel Summer Cooling 4 Seasons Car Seat Cushions. The SoJoy IsoTowel Summer Cooling 4 Seasons car seat cushions are designed to keep you cooler while providing slight cushioning. You get 2 front seat cushions that fit most car and truck seats, using adjustable buckle clips that secure them in place. They protect the body from hot seats in the summer and won't peel, crack, or leave residue behind after being exposed to the sun. The cushions have an anti-slip bottom, and the honeycomb fabric is light and thin. The IsoTowel cushions are portable, easy to install, bacteria-resistant, and machine washable. They also protect your seats after your return from the gym or get in the vehicle after being sweaty and physically active. Users report that they're comfortable, stay in place, and stay cool in a hot vehicle. However, they don't have a cooling gel like some other types of cushions. Number 5. AutoTrends Cooling Car Seat Cushion. The AutoTrends Cooling Car Seat Cushion is a great option for your vehicle, as well as other seats to increase circulation and keep your bottom cool. The cushion is made of memory foam and gel material, which maintains its shape and won't deform. The cooling gel provides comfort and support, and the silicone friction beads on the bottom prevent the cushion from sliding. The cushion has a waterproof cover that is easy to clean, and it is safe to put in the washing machine. Users report that the cushion is comfortable and do not get hot or sweaty after riding in a car for a prolonged period. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.